Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Zondi Land, your ultimate travel guide for exploring the world one adventure at a time. I'm Dan, your travel buddy, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me. Once Islas, translating to 11 islands in Chavacano, is an eco-cultural tourism destination in Zamboanga City, Philippines. Open to the public in July 2018, this cluster comprises 11 islands located within barangays of Panabigan and Tita, approximately an hour's drive from the city center. Dito na kami sa Once Islas. Ito muna yung tourism office na. Ito yung registration area nila. So dyan kami sasakay. Ito yung mga islands. Ito yung papera namin for 350 for 4 packs. So dito pwede kami umorder ng fish, squid.
Dito magbili lang ng ingredient.
Yun yung fish na okay na yan? Sapat na yan?
Ito bawing-bawing sir, masarap yan.
Ito yung isda na in-order na sanding tuna lang. Yung may sabaw. Ito yung pusit. Laluto din namin ito. Fresh catch. Ito po. Yan. Tapos tayong kaming boats.
Yan pala yung 11 islands today.
Oo.
O yan mga yan. Daanan. Pero pwede kayo mag-stop sa tatlong islands lang.
Si Jaguar. Of the 11 islands, 4 are accessible to tourists: Baong-Baong, Bisaya-Bisaya, and Siromon. Each island offers unique attractions.
Destination natin.
Ramon Island.
Ramon Island.
So ito pinakamalayo dun sa 11 island.
Dapat talaga ito ang unahin natin kasi malayo siya.
Siromon Island boasts multiple sandbars and is surrounded by rich marine life, making it a favorite among snorkelers. Welcome to Siromon Island. Ito, may mga tree house sila dito. Pwede daw umakyat dito. Mga bato-bato dito. Ito, may mga cottage din sila dito for bigger group. Ito, may crystal kayak din sila. Ganda rin dito. Kung gusto mo lang ng tahimik, ito, perfect spot. So, aakyat naman tayo. Yeah. Oh. Ito yung view sa taas. Okay, baba na tayo. Yeah.
Oh, ba ngayon sir? O namatay na dry na talaga, hindi na maano ng tubig.
Mga mangroves daw ito. Ito matandang mangroves na. Maliit
Malaki yan
na.
siya. May dahon yan. Ito, tingnan mo yun sa kabila natin.
So ito yung pag medyo malaki na baby
Bago pa
pa.
lang yan. Oh.
Itong mga to.
Hindi pa natin napupunta ng mga.
Okay, next island na kami. Baong Island.
Hindi ka nang buang-buang sir ah.
Baong.
Baong alam ko.
Bawang Island is known for its pristine white sand beaches and crystal clear turquoise waters and an ideal spot for swimming and relaxation. May mga cottages din dito. Pero dito 20 minutes lang kami. Ito, puro nyog. So small island tong baong pala. Sobrang white ng sand. Spiny din. Great. Wow. Ang lawak ng tubig. Okay, last island na kami. Na kami kakain and magsistay for swim.
Bisaya Island.
Bisaya Island.
Chabacano Island.
Ma'am, ang meaning ng Bisaya Island, speaking of something.
Bisaya means kanya-kanya.
Tapos sa tubig.
Bisaya Island, Onse Isla. Bisaya Island features soft sands comparable to those of Boracay, making it perfect for sunbathing and beach activities. Oh, may coastal café sa So, dito usually final stop. Dito nag-lunch, nagpapaluto, swimming, kumakain. Ito yung cottage namin. Yan, sina ate at kuya sila yung magluluto. So, and kayo po yung magluluto? Ito na yung binakanog. Parang yan, improvise na kutsara yan, diba?
Ito talagang ginagamit sa
Oo,
sa
kutsara.
hukom.
Ito yung rock formation.
Mas maganda ito sa kabila. Sir.
Okay. Ito. Ganda. Visitors can engage in various activities such as swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, and trekking. The islands are managed by the Sama Bangingi people who offer guided tours to share the rich history and culture of the area. To embark on an 11 Islas tour, travelers typically start at the Panubigan Ferry Terminal, located about 40 kilometers northeast of Zamboanga City Center. It's advisable to register at the barangay hall before proceeding to the port for boat transfers to the island. The best time to visit is during the dry season from November to May to fully enjoy the outdoor activities and pristine beaches. As the area emphasizes ecotourism, visitors are encouraged to respect local customs and the natural environment, ensuring that the beauty of Once Islas is preserved for future generations. Merloquet Falls, located in Barangay Sigulao, Zamboanga City, is a captivating two-tiered waterfall renowned for its picturesque cascades and serene natural setting. The falls feature a unique curtain-like flow over stair-like rock formations, creating a mesmerizing visual experience. Babayaran lang 10 pesos per box. Then 20 pesos for parking. Yeah, dito na tayo. Maglalakad lang muna. Then may hagdan pababa. Visitors embark on a trek through lush greenery to reach the falls. The trail includes a descent of approximately 400 steps, leading adventurers to the base of the waterfall. May nakahagda naman pala.
Nakarating din. Sabi nila pag kunyari pag talagang malayo. Kasi may low-key. Pag ganun yung mga sa ibig sabihin ang layo nun or parang imposible masyado.
Kasi nasa bundok siya talaga, no? Medyo hindi pa okay yung daan pala. Yung iba? Yung ba yung talaga yung daanan?
Yun talaga. Hindi na siguro siya naayos.
Pero may part na okay naman. Daming San Francisco. Di ba San Francisco to? No? Pwede.
Kaya meron na ka-signage doon, San Francisco Stair.
San
Lahat
Francisco.
San Francisco hindi sa side.
Ganda naman. So sabi daw mga 700 steps to. So at least nakahagda naman. Nasa baba na, malapit na. Ito na. Gusto dun. Ayan na siya. The waterfall's basin forms natural pools ideal for swimming and relaxation. The gentle cascade offers a soothing backdrop, perfect for unwinding amidst nature. The distinctive rock formations and cascading waters provide excellent photo opportunities, making it a favorite spot for nature photographers. Taas ng kawayan, no? Akyat na kami ulit. Akyat ulit. So, yung daan dito sa Merloquet, naka-park kasi kami. Okay din yung nakamotor. So, may ibang parts na cemented, pero yung ibang parts medyo maraming lubak-lubak. May 15-minute trek lang, pero hagda naman siya. Okay pa din. Travel tips? Wear comfortable trekking attire and sturdy footwear suitable for uneven terrain. Bring swimwear, towels, and personal necessities. It's advisable to pack your own food and drinks as amenities near the falls are limited. Practice responsible tourism by taking your trash with you to preserve the pristine environment. Embarking on a tour to Merlocat Falls offers a refreshing escape into nature, showcasing one of Zamboanga City's hidden gems. This is On The Land, your favorite travel buddy. Thanks for watching!